Hello. So today I will share with you how to build the metaverse by simply walking and talking using the new Eon product called the Metaverse Builder. So you'll see a hands-on step-by-step approach. So let's get going. So first you click on the Metaverse Builder. So you build by just simply walking and talking. Engine. You select from 5.1 million assets. In this case, the engine. I place it. I set my annotation point. Automatically, a generated selection of text, images, videos, PDFs, audio is created. And there you go, the knowledge portal that allows you to expand, explore, and learn.
I'm Jake O'Neill, creator of Animagraphs, and this is how a car engine works.
Video transcript. All right, so we're going to make a motor, and it's similar to the one that we use.
So now you can also scale, you can shrink it, add multiple assets. Okay, so the next thing here is to create your assessment portal. You can do quizzes by simply selecting an annotation. The quiz is auto-generated, as you can see there. You can create identify assessment likewise by simply selecting annotation. And also you can do locate, same way. Avatar guided assessment. So today we are working through a disassembly of an engine. We'll start with this part here, and then we'll do this part here. So now you can see that the avatar is created and does this by simply walking and talking and instruction, step by step. You can have multiple assets. In this case, I added 3. And you can create memos in multiple languages. I'm Swedish, so I'll use Swedish as a language. You can see here I'm scrolling to many different languages, more than 80. Ja, idag ska vi lära oss om olika motorer. And you can hear the voice there behind. Now you can also lift the engine, you can lower them, place it wherever you want. If an asset is unknown, you can use artificial intelligence to recognize it with AI immediately. You can see aircraft engine. You can also do a 3D assessment. So you record a step likewise, but in this case, you click on assessment. So you can create multiple standard operation. And then the low pressure turbine. You play back, and now you can see several procedures, memorize them, and now it's time for you to test your skills. So do the procedure as you've seen. Show me, let me do it myself. And now you get your score. So you can see the sequence that you performed, your performance summary, number of incorrect steps, missteps, unexpected steps. Now, let's say you want to put this in a classroom, scale 1 by 1, integrated. So you can walk freely and add your objects in the classroom, and you can conduct procedure from in front of your students. They can participate. You can see that this here is return on the annotations. So that's the inlet guide valve, and this is the compressor. Let me just take one piece here. And finally, you can also video record the whole experience and put this on social media. And that can be done in 5 minutes or less. Thank you so much. And let's get started. You can actually do this for free. Just request a Metaverse Builder license, and let's demonstrate that for the next 30 days at no cost for you. Thank you so much, and see you soon in the Metaverse.